And now to this morning's bright spot. All right, so take a look at this. This is what 8th grade students in Fullerton did in their woodshop class. They built a tiny home for a family. 24 students at Nicolas Junior High worked on this all year long, and they just finished. Okay, so check out the home. This is what they built. Amazing. They had the ribbon cutting yesterday. The students had help with the electrical and the plumbing, but they pretty much did almost all of the work on their own. Here's one of the students talking about his favorite part of the building process.
Definitely putting the walls up. From starting out just framing it to actually putting those walls up on the house. It all comes together, like, it's really nice.
I know that I helped someone. I was a part of a community that helped someone, and it makes me proud.
Isn't that amazing? We're so proud of them. So here's the thing. A family has already been picked to live in the home. This is the second year that students at Nicolas Junior High have done this. So we told you about their first tiny home last year. It has become housing for a family in the school district. A spokesperson just told us that the student who's been living there has earned the best grades they have ever had.
That's awesome. So I was going to tell you guys, when I was growing up about the same age, our family had a general contracting business, and in the summers I would work for them and we would build things like this, and it's such a satisfying feeling to see your hard work actually something tangible after that. So I'm sure it was a great experience for them.
For sure.
And they're actually helping out a family within their community.
Yeah, to be able to actually do something that means something to so much, to change someone's life.
So what I'm hearing is that you may go and help those 8th graders.
Well,
And
they built a house. All I was able to do, like my grandpa would send me, go get the bucket of tools, right? Yeah. Just go back and go get us coffee.
You were a runner.
Yeah, they actually built something.
that's still a job. It's a very important job. I mean, this is fun, it's educational, and it's fulfilling as well. So great job, and it's helping a family in need. And congrats to the teachers for coming up with that idea and doing
Round
something
of applause
positive.
for all of them. Yay.